Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and today we're gonna talk about the K&N filter, how to clean it, how to moisturize it with the oil, what to do, what to avoid, and I will share with you some top tips. So first thing, obviously, you need to remove the air filter. For all of the Spyder owners, F3 owners especially, the air filter or air box is basically on the left side, and you have only 4 screws like this, so you cannot do anything wrong. Now, once we have it out, my routine is that I'm cleaning the K&N filter every 7,000 kilometers, 8,000 kilometers. Why I'm doing it so? It's because I'm riding super aggressive, plus I'm riding in the dusty conditions many times, so I would like to have it clean. And you have to understand the air filter, it's something like lungs of your engine. So basically, if you have time, why not to do it more often? My top tip for today's video is that when I have bought the K&N filter, I have kept the original box as well, because I'm storing there the original stock filter, the paper one. And the reason for that is because every time I'm cleaning the K&N filter, usually it takes me like 1 or 2 days or whatever. So I'm replacing it with this one. The reason for that, first, me being a little bit paranoid, and I don't want anything going down to the airbox or whatever, so I'm putting this back and locking the system so I'm all fine and I can sleep well. Second reason is like I want to be always ready to ride, so whatever happens, if this takes me a little bit longer, I'm always ready to ride when the weather is beautiful. In the next step, we'll be applying this K&N Power Clean. I will be applying it from outside and also from the inside, and it doesn't matter if you have that flat K&N filter, if you have a tube like this, or you have a mushroom like this. You will apply it, you need to apply it from both sides. Don't be a tight ass, use it a lot, because with these chemicals you are cleaning it. And also, very important, don't let it dry. So moisture it a lot. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, but make sure you have applied enough of it so you are sure it will not dry, because otherwise you can damage your air filter. By the way, Dummy has bought 1 liter pack and it's a lot, guys. Top tip, like my second top tip here, is I'm using it for grill, for cleaning my grill twice a year, like before the season and after the season. Why? Because it works. Now the next step is that we will apply running water, no high pressure, just regular running water. And before we'll do that, you need to understand, or it's good to understand, like how your air filter, it's taking the air. So in this scenario, the air is sucked through this side and goes further to the bike from here. So what I will do it vice versa with the water. I will apply the water from here, so all of the dirt is not going basically to the filter and how it is sucked, but basically it's going out. And yeah, don't worry about the sink. My studio is in an industrial building. It looks absolutely ugly, but it will do the job. Now, when it is all clean, try to remove as much water as possible from it. And let it dry naturally. Don't put it on a radiator, don't use any fan, don't use whatever, hair dryer. Just let it dry naturally. Usually I like to put it on the sun and let it dry just like that. In case you would like to find out a little bit more about TheBeast, about the BRP Can-Am Spyder, in case you would like to find out a little bit more about my rides, how crazy I'm riding, about traveling, about restoration of Akrapovic exhaust, about proper winterization, about waterless cleaning. This is what we're gonna do during the winter time. Have a look around my channel, subscribe to it, and have the notifications on, because every time I do such a video, you are notified. Now, let's wait till it dries and we will apply the oil. How to do it? Well, just remember that don't put it on both sides. You can only put it on a side from where the air is flowing in. So basically, as I said many times, in my case, it's this part. We will not apply it inside, because that's where the air is going to further to the bike, and you don't want to have the oil going there, because it can create a lot of trouble. So use the distance and make sure everything is nice and oily, but don't use way too much oil. Just be normal, just be gentle, normal. Just make sure everything is oily, but not super greasy. After, just clean a little bit the oil and we're good to go. Guys, hopefully you have refreshed your memory how to clean your K&N filter. Maybe you have learned something new, maybe the tips can help you. Now all you have to do is put it back on your motorbike or a car and enjoy your ride. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case this video helped you, give it a like, and remember, give your K&N filter proper care and always have fun.